Yeah, what's cracking, thrill billies? Hey, dude, look what's behind me, bro. Are you freaking serious?
Yellow.
K5. Oh. Hey, I told you what I was gonna. I said I was gonna point to you.
I thought you said who. I thought you said look who's behind.
Look who's
so
back,
said,
baby. We got
wow.
Dang up in the building, dude. So Dang's up in here putting the diff cover back on. We got the wheels back on. So the Backwoods Blazer is back, ladies and gentlemen. So all we got to do left on it, Dan, just a little rundown on everything we've done with this. Obviously, this is my 79 K5 Blazer. I told you guys that we might be giving this thing away to one of you thrill billies out there. And so what we did, what have we done so far, Dan? We got 513 gears in the rear and the front.
Locker in the rear.
Locker in the rear, Detroit locker. Obviously, we got the 39.5 Super Swampers on here. Rough Country 6-inch lift kit.
New tranny.
New tranny. We didn't even have to go to Thailand for that, so that was good. And then, so all we got to do today is put the fluid back in there. Dan's tightening up now. Put the fluid back in there. Transfer case is over there. We're going to throw that in. That's heavy. So we got Fat Boy and my buddy Kyle over there to help us out with that summit. Look who the hell is over here, boy. I think we got some cholo from Outlaw. Hey, Vato!
Hey,
what's cracking, Vato? Look at this freaking guy. What the hell?
What's going on? It says
Fat Boy rocking the freaking cholo outfit today.
El Fat Boy.
El Fat Boy.
Wait.
Just one, man.
Ole chicken. Make way for you, Vato, over here.
You need the rattlesnake cowboy boots and you'd be perfect.
Do that.
Yeah. So Fat Boy's here, my buddy Kyle's here. We
Skin that doesn't match your shirt.
Look at this, man. You actually bought a new freaking wife beater.
I did.
Usually the ones he had got like sweat stains and they're all yellow. But
Dip
yeah,
stains.
you freaking you all cleaned up today.
I'm looking pretty.
We're about to get you dirty though, because we're about to lift this heavy ass transfer case. It's about as heavy as Fat Boy up in this someday, dude. What do you think? 2, maybe 3 more?
3 would for sure do it.
Okay, so 3. We don't have enough.
I think 2 would do it, but just
in case.
rather not have to go back again.
We filled the rear, right?
Yeah.
Okay. We have to get it delivered. I ain't going back there. Need more gear roll.
Oh.
Need some gear roll.
Thank you. O'Reilly, this is Sarah. How can I help you?
How do you guys deliver today?
Yes, we are.
Okay, I need, no, this is for Outlaw Customs.
Outlaw Customs?
Yeah, I
Give me
need,
1 second.
okay. I need 3 quarts of 80W90 gear oil.
Gotta stay hydrated, folks.
80W90 gear oil.
Luckily, we have a business account with O'Reilly's, so they'll just deliver it straight to the house so we don't gotta go over there, dude. Saves a tits ton of time and money. So, if you guys ever use, like if you need car parts all the time, set up a business account, you save a lot of money. Like I just bought all this brake fluid, dude, and it was like 30 bucks, or excuse me, brake clean. And it was like 30 bucks for the box and we got it for like 19. So you save a lot of money. We bought a bunch of brake pads and stuff one time. We got like half off, so it definitely helps to have a business account and they'll deliver to you.
I didn't have a tube or nothing. The hole's like this, so I'm like trying to.
Oh my gosh, is yours next? Yours is fucking hung up on me.
The fuck?
You just fucking hung up on me. That's what happens when you got women that work at a damn auto parts store. Is that O'Reilly's? Hey, I was just on the phone with you guys, but somebody hung up.
Yeah, Outlaw Customs. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thanks, bye.
Oh,
hey,
yeah. Who are we talking to? Okay, yeah. All right, bye.
She hung up.
Oh, fuck! Are you serious? Both of them were ribbon. Dude.
Oh, this is so retarded.
Hey Sarah, it's Jared again with Outlaw Customs. They both hung up, so I just need to get that gear oil. Dang and I, for the longest time, we were, you know, fucking around with the C10, all this crap. We had like the worst compressor you could ever have. And it would shut off every 5 seconds trying to put these wheels back on. So, I went to the store the other day and I got a ridiculous deal on this sumbitch, man. 100 pound freaking Ingersoll here. And I got a deal because on the back, it's dented up a little bit. Somebody must have freaking dropped it or whatever when they were bringing it in. So I got like $100 off of the sumbitch. Put it all together. Dang said it works like a freaking charm. Does it work good?
Oh yeah.
A lot better than before, eh?
It's actually got 125 PSI, which is what that's supposed to be running.
Yep. This is pretty much the biggest one you can get with the 110. So that's kind of good.
Yeah.
Because the freaking other ones, we were trying to find one, you have to be a 240, you have to plug it in with a damn dryer or something, and kind of be a pain. So yeah, the one. Yo, you want to see an air compressor, check this son of a bitch out. How about that? Good God. It's fatter than Fat Boy. And that's hard to do. Nearly impossible. Well, this shit's gonna be fun. First of all, I'm doing this in flip-flops. It's too hot out here, man. Hot dang. It ain't just dang.
Yeah.
It ain't just dang. All right, we're gonna need the Trinity jack for this. There's the freaking giant ass transfer case, which is the heaviest transfer case probably ever made. Holy dick. And you can see our Trinity jack's already bent up from the last time we moved this thing. Take some shit off, make it easier. Got some real clothes on now, boy. Got them Outlaw boots, dude. You Outlaw. OutlawDipperBoots.com. Your feet don't have to suffer at OutlawDipperBoots.com. Link in the description box, you son of a dick. Hold this fucking in place.
There's not a whole lot to grab on.
Lift with your back, not your legs.
Oh. That's greasy.
You know when a Fat Boy goes, oh, you know it's heavy. Hey, Luna, get out of here. You got it? Okay, you got it? You ready?
Go down a little bit.
Oh my God,
That scared the fuck out of me.
Especially right when I was letting it down.
Yeah, that's good. That's
Good
good.
job, Kyle.
Whew.
Keep you guys on your toes.
All right, you're gonna have to have some man strength over there to lift it on top of that bracket.
I think you're probably right.
Fat Boy, you might want to go over there.
We're just gonna have to muscle it.
Tight squeeze for the transfer case. All for 4-wheel drive, man. You gotta love that 4-wheel drive, boy. Maybe you should have took your gun off, you know, before you did this.
Probably.
Here, hand it to me.
There's not pulled back and the safety's on.
Listen, you gotta be very careful because, like, you kind of gotta do it easy and not super hard.
No.
Hey, just watch, like right here, you just gotta get over that lip.
Just get over that
So
lip.
Kyle, you gotta lift from right there, but don't lift too much at first. Let him get his lift over.
Yeah.
Okay, you ready?
Yep.
On 3. 1, 2, 3. Holy shit! Oh! Okay, keep going.
Keep going.
Fuck, how's it gonna fit?
Fuck. I don't know.
Oh, my watch!
Move your hand. Move your hand.
Be careful.
Careful.
Careful. Pull it out of there. Ow! Alright, we good? Sorry.
Yeah.
Drop it.
Just watch my head.
Yeah, I got you.
We clear?
Yeah, you're good.
So what we're doing is we're gonna take this cross member off and then basically get this up here with jacks, get it up in place, and then we'll throw it in and put the cross member back on. Alright, go ahead and push it forward. Get ready for more?
Yeah, keep going.
Okay, alright.
Back right?
Just right there.
Good.
Maybe we should have just brained it.
Maybe we should have.
I thought we did. It was all over my fucking driveway. Careful.
Let me readjust.
Alright.
I'm holding it.
Okay, we're gonna have to fucking push it up in there quick.
Oh shit, it's going forward.
Alright. Okay, you see where the hole is, Fat Boy?
Vaguely.
Ah, fuck.
That's gonna be nice, dude.
Okay, let's go. Try to set it on this lip. Watch your fingers, Dave.
This Jack. Watch this Jack.
Oh, shit. Oh, shit.
Don't tear the gasket.
Jimmy, or Fat Boy, push it my way.
Oh, we're gonna tear the gasket.
All right, dude, Jimmy, push it my way, dude. It's falling off the jack.
Yeah, it's like just hanging on, but barely.
Just push it my way, dude. It's gonna fucking fall, bro.
Yeah, it's
you better
sliding.
get ready.
There, I got it. Just hold it. Guys, it's like just right on the corner. That's it.
I know, it's a little bit flatter now. Just hold it there.
All right.
All right.
Watch that, bud.
Ow! Ow! Ow!
Watch
Fuck!
this.
Oh, fuck my shoulder.
Oh! Ow! Mother! Oh! Fat bastard. Okay, you got it?
Pushing it?
Yeah, I'm good.
So the concrete stuff down.
And then the bucket bursts.
Oh yeah, I think it's almost done. I can see the drip.
That's what happens when you drain in your transportation. You set it on top of the bucket. It's too much of a pain in the ass to drain it, dude. You know what they need? Just a drain plug on the bottom. That's all they need. The hell?
Your bucket looks like my toilet when I sit down and take a shit.
Oh man. Boy, Fat Boy got some food in him. He's on one now. Do your curtsy. Okay. Here we go.
Look out, Jeremy, just in case it starts sliding.
I got it. Man, if we just had this on a fucking block. You know, I wonder if we can put a block under both ends right now. If we can get that on top of this, then I think we'll be able to just push it on. That'll be enough height.
Easier said than done, I think.
Everything this son of a bitch is easier said than done. 3, 2, 1. More. Sorry, you alright? You okay?
Yeah, I'm good.
Sounds like me when I come.
Sounds like Fat Boy after Taco Bell. Echo it off the bathroom walls. Yeah. It burns.
Ready?
Yep. Go right, go this way. Okay, back, forward, no, push. Which it's on there, push Kyle. Up. Look, it's on there. God damn it, my hand's come on.
I'm up as
Push. Fuck, it's on the shaft, dude. Oh, slipping. All right. Hold on. Okay, everybody. Okay, it's not on the fucking jack. All right, fucking know what to do.
No.
Oh, fuck, he's going towards Jeremy.
Wait. Are you sure?
Hold up.
Get it out.
We were so fucking close, dude.
It was on the shaft. Look at these motherfuckers! Look at Fat Boy over there. Get on this, Fat Boy.
2 times.
Well, Fat Boy, you're the strong one here. What do you think we should do?
I say we all take horse steroids for about a week, come back, just hoist it up.
All right, you got a dealer?
I got a guy.
All right, dude. There's some horses next door. Maybe we can hit him up.
Maybe.
Or let's just maybe ejaculate the horse, drink it. Maybe we'll
Straight
get
from the
something.
source.
Should we go try to take some shots?
A couple shots.
Shots?
Oh. Going home.
You going home? You going home?
Chicken shit.
Shot. If we all have our lucky lippers in, I think we're gonna make it this time. So when we're blocking the front, we're gonna let it angle down off the back a little bit, so that Fat Boy doesn't have to sit under. At least we'll be level with the top of it, and the two splines can just run in there, and we can wiggle. At least it'll still be on the jack, so we can wiggle it and get the splines right. Push it in, get the bolts in. I'm telling you guys right now, if you work on cars, floor dry is a lifesaver. It's insane how good it works. Hell, I was thinking about just renting out a fucking bay in somebody's shop. It's just a fuck. Ow! I laughed, my back fucking cracked.
The truck on trailer and haul it to a shop. See, this is what you're the big boss, Jared. You come up with all the big ideas.
All right, well, we still got to get it on this fucking wood, so.
Fuck you.
Quit smiling. Sometimes the world works in mysterious ways. Why do you think people say third time's a charm? This is it. Whoever's running this whole shebang was like, nah, third time's a charm.
You must suffer the first two before you become successful in the third.
Because we got to learn a lesson. The lesson was we need a strap.
Always strap in.
Last night I learned a lesson that we need to strap on, but now we just need a strap.
That's a rough lesson to learn.
Especially with no lube.
Oh,
that was another lesson, but I learned that, 4 hours later whenever I was up.
Yeah,
Stephanie works out too.
I know.
Does deadlifts and shit. She's got a good back muscle.
So Stephanie was actually Fat Boy.
Got that thrust.
3, 2, 1. Fuck!
Oh. Shit. There's nothing to grip on it.
You thought you ripped your pants?
So that thing. Don't get too excited. What happened to third time's the charm?
You know what they say? You know what they say, right? 4th time's the charm, dude. You know that's what they say, right? 4 times the charm, bruh.
You know what they say? Lynch the leader.
What do they say?
Lynch the leader.
2, 1.
Oh, you're on the board.
Watching me.
Fuck! Ah! Fat Boy, what the fuck?
I was lifting.
You were on the fucking
I
board!
couldn't slide the board because you're on it.
Oh,
You son of a bitch,
I was
dude!
lifting this onto the board.
Dude, I was in so much pain I couldn't even scream. I wanted to scream like a oh! Oh! That's how I wanted to scream, but I was in so much pain I couldn't.
I thought we were lifting the jack onto
Hey, now
the
I got
board.
2 swollen fingers, dude. Steph gonna be real fucking happy tonight, dude. Oh. We just got it around the shaft here. I don't know if you guys can really see this, but let's brighten it up for you. We got it on the shaft, and now we need to basically shimmy it onto the full shaft to where we can get the bolts in, because we've got about 2.5 inches of room right here that we need to shimmy it on the shaft until we can get the bolts in. So very careful work right here to where we don't drop it on Fat Boy's face again. Yeah, you're good. Oh yeah, yep, you're in there. Oh yeah, all right. Here.
Oh, see. Please tell me the gasket's on that.
Oh, you. All right, it is.
Yeah, it is. You son of a.
No! Fingers. We got her, boys. Okay, so you doing it? Yeah. Hold it the other way.
Hey Steph, don't freak out, but we had a little problem down here. We dropped the transfer case on Jared's arm, and we're taking him to the emergency room.
For real?
Yeah.
Which one are you guys going to?
I don't know. The one in Parker?
Right now?
In about 5 minutes.
Are you for real?
We're gonna have a beer first.
You're lying, you son of a bitch. Oh my god!
Hey, babe. At least I know you love me.
I hate you. I'm breaking up with you.
Hey, you know how girls always do them tests to their boyfriends? That was our final test on you, woman. Are you back yet with our beer?
No, we're stopping. I told you to let me know when you're done. 'Cause
We're
just
done.
moving.
We're done.
Well, I don't want to see you anymore, you butthole.
Oh, damn, dude. Stand up in that light, dude. Look at you and Dan, man. Oh.
Oh, hell yeah, man. Oh my God. Look at this. Hold on. Music video. Put an Outlaw song to this.
Might have a little sag in her boobs, but it sure was love at first sight. Might have a little hair on her chest, but when I take a nap, it feels the breast.
And it's the next day. Dang and I are back out here. We quit last night. We were dead after putting that dang transfer case in, dude. Thing legitimately weighed like more than Fat Boy. Holy freaking dick. Maybe twice a Fat Boy. But Dang and I have been working all morning. We got everything bundled back up. We got the drive shafts in. We got all the lines and everything hooked up. Now all the bolts are back in. I think we should be good to go. Filled the transfer case up with gear oil. Now we're just putting some ATF in the tranny. This ain't the first time Dan's filled a tranny up. Boy. I apologize for that. All right, we're gonna start her up, check the fluid. Well, it's going in reverse, that's good. She moves! Well, job well done, Dang. We killed it. Yesterday was a pain in the dick, but we got her done. Backwoods Blazer is back on wheels.
Might have a little sag in her boobs, but it sure was love at first sight. Might have a little hair on her chest, but when I take a nap, it feels the breast. Gonna touch your butt like a bucking rut. I swear it's not incest. Might have a little sag in her boobs, but I'm gonna motorboat her good tonight.